What is AdTech? AdTech is a term used to describe systems, software, or tools used to run, deliver, manage, and optimize programmatic advertising campaigns. Its goal is to help publishers and advertisers optimize their ad campaigns. For publishers, it could be the process of generating more revenue from their ad inventory. For advertisers, improving their ad campaign targeting to zero in on their target market and maximize their ROI. Here are some foundational terms within AdTech. Programmatic advertising, using technology to buy and sell ad inventory through a data-driven process. Real-time bidding, an auction process where ad impressions are sold and bought in real time. Demand-side platforms, a platform to help advertisers buy ad inventory by giving them access to multiple sources, advanced targeting technology, and more. Header bidding, a technology used by publishers to ensure that every impression on their site is auctioned out to multiple partners. It happens within the header of the site in real time and ensures that publishers earn the most ad revenue from their ad impressions. Want to find out more about AdTech? See the resources in the description below.
That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!